Hello and welcome back to another Disney vlog from the Mouse Diva. Hope you saw part 1 and part 2 of today.
Moving pictures. Hello there, moving pictures.
What's up, Dad? I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl.
We have had our nap and I've changed into something more Magic Kingdom-ish. Look at that. Look at the back. Look. No, we're not going to the Halloween party. I wasn't willing to dish out that amount of money. The reason that we're going to Magic Kingdom tonight is because
We can.
it's open till 11 o'clock and I love Magic Kingdom at night. And
We can.
there's no other time that it's going to be open that late. Oh, are you kidding me? My battery's going to die. I'm glad I have a spare in my bag. 6:30. We're going to head over to the pass holder line because the other lines are way too long. My magic band is turning purple.
Yeah, my turnstile turned purple.
Oh, did
Yours-
it finally? Yes, it did.
Yours didn't.
Yes, it did. It did the purple and the green.
Oh, did the- oh,
Yeah, it did
I
both.
just saw the green.
No. All right.
Well, then you're...
Happy dance, happy dance. Oh, I bought one of those. Except it's a lot smaller. That's one of my favorites because of the little Mickey rag doll there. I forgot about the baseball in his mouth.
Their heads light up.
It is kind of glowing there, isn't it? And the lights are starting to glow. Oh, I love lights. On the bus, I always get all excited the first time on the Disney bus on a trip. And Tom was like, I don't understand why you get so excited about riding the bus. And I'm like, it's just nostalgic for me. It's the, you know, I grew up going to King's Dominion, Busch Gardens, Carowinds, Six Flags. You got out of your car, you got on a tram, and you went to the park. And this was something totally different. The kids were so excited about it. And then I remember, you know, the late nights, and they're exhausted, and their heads on my shoulder or in my lap. It's just nostalgic, and I love it.
They're not at all nostalgic for me, because when I first came to Disney World, they didn't have buses. Nostalgia for me is getting picked up at your hotel in the monorail, taking the boat across from the parking lot, the train around Magic Kingdom. It's like, there weren't no buses. And coming up Main Street here, I just kind of glanced over to the right and I
Okay,
saw...
and we saw. Come on. Okay.
And we saw this. And it just reminded me of, again, that nostalgic time when first came here, and I still have the cutout profile of myself, silhouette of myself, from when I was a bit younger.
First thing we're gonna do is a special photo op. That was funny. That guy just loved Tom's shirt and had to take a picture of it. Follow the diva, the diva, the diva. Follow the diva, diva. I'm leader of the line.
And Star Traders, transfer to green and red line. Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future. Look, there's even a tiny people mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny Borak. I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
Don't know why that just went off, but it did.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority station.
It's 7:10 and the parade is, the fireworks starts 8:30 and this many people are already staking out their spots. Time for a snack at Sleepy Hallow Refreshments, which is always a long line that moves pretty slow. People charging their phones. I don't know that I have ever noticed the lights in this window, and then this is like the window's open and like the breeze is blowing the curtain. It's kind of how it's making it look.
That's fun.
Yeah, I've never noticed that. So every trip I count how many Buc-ee's apparel items I see. This woman has one on. This is number 3, and this is just the first day here. And Tom has decided he is going to keep account of what?
Iron Maiden t-shirts.
I'm gonna win. I'm really enjoying this one here. A little spooky flair to it. So they've changed this a little bit. This used to be just a regular waffle that would fold up like kind of like a sandwich in a way. Now that's actually on a Mickey waffle. So, I'm guessing it's smaller than it used to be because it was a pretty big waffle. And then they have like more options, like this wasn't here on that funnel cake. I like the way this is open. You can see what's going on. All right, Bon Appetit. It's actually a bigger Mickey waffle than I thought it was going to be. It's not as big as the old waffle, but I'm sure it's going to be just as delicious. I just found a Hatbox Ghost penny over by the rocking chairs. Do you know where the rocking chairs are? Looks like they're out of the Stitch Vampire today. I might get Scary Teddy, but that's if I can't find the Stitch Vampire popcorn bucket. They were selling it just at the Halloween party, but I guess they had enough that they're selling them during the day now. Well, they now have standby for Tron, so we're gonna do that. Keeps going down. So we're coming here straight after eating our Sleepy Hallow food. But so it says 75 minutes, so we don't think we're gonna wait any more than an hour. And by the time we got up here, it went down to 65. So now we're gonna say 55 minutes. All right, took 15 minutes to get to this point right here. So we're going in. Now we're gonna have to go put stuff in a locker.
Remain seated, Tron.
So for a second, my magic band was going off. Oh, there it is. Right when they're getting ready to take off. There they go. Getting ready to put our stuff in the locker. So it's already been, what, just 24 minutes? just waiting our turn to put our stuff in there. On the other side of this wall is where Lightning Lane feeds in. We're doing 350, and we'll see you guys on the other side, literally. $8.46, so we even got off the ride in the less amount of time than it said. So this guy right here, because he's wearing that, his symbol thing was purple while the rest of ours was like blue. Right when I turned the camera off of that last clip, I started talking to this teen and his mother. His mother said this was his third ride on Tron today. She doesn't ride. And he asked me if I wanted to take a picture with him. Oh, they have a new ornament. Oh, that is so cool. Look at that. They didn't have this when we bought like our matching stuff. Tom bought that. I bought that. I bought the ears to match. I don't see the Loungefly bag that Tom bought or the t-shirt that he bought. But we'll be wearing it when we come to Magic Kingdom during the day in a few days. Back way from Tron. And do you recognize this from our family channel? Life's a Whirlwind. So last month, brought my granddaughter here, and she's just a tiny little thing. She was just tall enough to ride this. So the Barnstormer was her very first roller coaster, and as we are on it, oh, I just realized Goofy's underwear. While we were on it.
How do you know that's his underwear?
She's like, this is going fast. I love fast.
I didn't get an answer to that question.
How do I know it's his underwear?
Yeah.
Some things you just don't tell, hun. Wow, you really smell that one. So this past summer, they put in the Smell-a-Fence on parade, sponsored by Scentsy. And by the way, do you guys know that I'm a Scentsy Club member? Check out those haul vlogs, those unboxings. You can really smell that one from afar away. That's right, I got Scary Teddy. So I didn't realize that he actually has a cape. Look at that. And there's his lanyard. And then the popcorn is of course in his mouth. Yeah, I'm his official popcorn holder. Is it just amazing?
It tastes like it was made just this morning.
Eating the popcorn, even on the ride.
She's so mean.
Oh my gosh, Scary Teddy's eyes glow. Get out of town, that's cool. Oh my goodness, it is a hoodie, It's a Small World. And if I wore ears more often, I would get those. What is that? Oh, what is this? I need glasses. And then I love this. Boat tours depart daily. $26.99. So how much is that hoodie? Really? That's odd. And It's a small world. Repeat, repeat. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. The old shooting gallery was behind these walls, and they're building a DVC lounge. New frontiers await.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you.